of this website. So let me first show you. This is my database, and I have node tables created here, node data here. So first of all, I will import all the tables and books from here. As you can see, books table is created, then user table is created, and all the tables are created. Then the 5,000 books are adding one by one, so it will take a little time, so I will fast forward it. We're done importing the files. Let me check on the database. So refreshing it. As you can see, there are 3 tables here, and this is the book. And now I will import some. I will add some users and reviews in my database. So going to the SQL command. Okay. So here I got some reviews, and here are some users. Our data importing is done. Now let's talk about the login. So this is the home page, and this is the login form, the sign in form. If I enter a correct username and correct password is 1141. If I click on the sign in, then it will check for the username and password and from the database, and compare the data from with this input data. If the input data and database email and password matches, then it will sign in successfully. So this is sign in successful, and it will take you to the to its account page. Now let's try with the wrong password. Then I'm putting a wrong password here and clicking on the sign in. Then it says username or password, and it do not take to the home page. And if I try to go to the home admin page with the URL without logging in, see, it says sign in first. So you cannot go to the account page or admin page without signing in first. So now let's try to sign in successfully. Okay, sign in successful, and now I am closing my browser. And now again I will try to go to this root URL. So what will happen that if I press enter, that if my app will check if the user is already signed in or not. If the user is already signed in, that then he will directly redirected to his account page instead of showing the login page. Okay, so this is actually a login page, but as I did not sign out and I'm a sign in user, look, it redirected to me to the account page. So this is my login functionality and registration. This is my sign up form. So test test 1111, and you can see 1111. Here you can see the verification. It does some verification. So let us try. If someone tries to sign up without filling the forms, it will show a message to fill up the forms. Okay, if everything when everything are done, and click on the sign up, so you can see that a registration is successful and he will be directly redirected to this account page or admin page. This is my registration system. Then next, talk about the logout. You already saw that this logout function works perfectly. Then let's talk about the search functionality. Okay, 1111. Here there are two options to search here. First of all, in the home page, in the home page, the right section, you can search with this form or from the menu search menu. So now I will use this right sidebar for now. You can search by title, by author, or year, or ISBN. So let's try with the title. So when I type any name, any title, then you can see that title which contains the 4 keyword all are here, and we found five results with that 4 keyword. Now let's try with the author. Let's take this James and submit. Then you can see that authors which has the name of James are in the showing in the search result. Now let's go for the year. This is all the books that were published in 2098 results. Then we can search with the ISBN too. So here is ISBN, and you can see we got, and one book only has one ISBN number. So this is how my search feature works. The next one is book page with Goodreads API data and my database data. So if I click on this book link, book title, it will take me to the book page where we can see all the informations, some informations about this book. This data, this title, author, ISBN, total reviews, rating, average rating, these data are coming from the Goodreads API, and the reviews here are coming from my database. So these data are from the Goodreads API, and these reviews data are coming from my Postgres database. Okay, so review submission. For this account I already have, for this book I already have an review. Let's go and search for another book. Okay, fever. Okay, it has no reviews. Review 5, a nice book, and clicking on the submit. So it says awesome, your review added successfully. Okay, after refreshing the page you can see that we got a review here. So from the with the name John and the nice comment, no sorry, nice book. Let's try to submit a review for this book again. Okay, so rating 4 and again review and submit again. You see, you already submitted a review on this book. So uh, one user is not allowed to submit multiple reviews for a particular, for a single book. Okay, now let's talk about the access to the API. I'm going to the search page, searching for 2016 books. When a user clicks on this title, you already saw that he will be redirected to the books information page, and if that user clicks on this ISBN link, then he will see a JSON data from my API. Okay, this is my website, this is my website endpoint API. So here it is. API is done, and show raw SQL. Okay, the website, the instruction says that we have to use raw SQL instead of ORM. So I did not use any ORM here. Here's the raw SQL to query the database. Here it is, raw SQL query from the database, and a 404 page. Okay, so for all the invalid pages, for all the invalid links for this website, all page will be redirected to the 404 page. That means this book page is valid. Okay, so we can see this page. So this page also valid, but let me show you that this page is not valid. So it will directly take you to the 404 page. So slash abc, this is also an invalid page, so you will be redirected to the home 404 page. Okay,